Hello students, let's read the problem. And it says, the exponential function f of x equals 3 parentheses 0.5 to the x power plus 2 is shown below. What is the range? So we're looking for range, right? Now what comes to your mind when we say range? X values or Y values? I hope you say Y values, yes. Okay? So we're going to look at the y-axis, okay? So let me go ahead and check this out right here, okay? So when I think about the range, I am going to have to think about looking at the numbers on the y-axis, okay? So don't worry about the x, okay? So in the y-axis, I can start thinking about, and we say building a fence, right? So can I say, oh, I'm going to build a fence right up here, right there? That's where my graph finishes. Is that true? No, because if you notice, I do see an arrow pointing up like this, which means it keeps on going and going and going. Exactly. So, no, I cannot actually have a fence on the top. Now, think about the lowest value. What's the lowest value that I can use? Can I say, oh, my fence is going to be right here? Do you think that that would be appropriate for us to say that? No, because even though I see that my exponential function is coming down, notice how it looks like it's not crossing a certain number. What number do you think is never going to cross? What number do you think is approaching and approaching, but it never ever crosses? So notice how when I was here, it started coming towards the 2. You see that? But I can see that it's not coming lower than that. Do you guys see that? It's not, right? But it will never reach the 2 as well, okay? So it's going towards the 2, but it's never ever gonna touch the 2. So 2 is not included, okay? And that's gonna help us when I decide what the range is gonna be. So notice how I am gonna be looking for values, right? That are what? Greater than 2. And how do I show greater than 2 with the inequality symbols? Well, this is greater than 2, right, guys? And since we're looking for range, then that will be the y. Now, the reason why I do not use the little line here, right there, I am not going to use it, is because I will never, ever touch the 2. So 2 is not included, okay? So let's look at the answer choices and tell me, where did you find this one, okay? So that would be letter C. Very good. Okay, that's the answer.